Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Will. So 2 months ago, I found something that completely changed my trading game. I haven't talked about it until now because I wanted to make sure it really works. I've been using it almost every day and I've been quietly sharing the results inside my Telegram group. Today, I'm finally bringing it to you. If you've been looking for a way to get into the trading world, if you want to take your crypto journey to the next level without spending hours analyzing charts, trying to find the best decision, then this is something that you need to have in your arsenal. This is called SignalPeak, and it's a system where over 100 professional traders do all the hard work for us. They analyze the markets and deliver the best trading signals for us. All we need to do is simply copy and paste. And it's not just crypto. You'll also find premium gold and forex trading groups inside SignalPeak. There are groups with a 92% success rate, like let me show you right here. They have Fred Russian, Alex Friedman, Master of Binance, and many more. Let me expand all of this. Popular and profitable Signal groups. Normally, you'll pay over 1,000 per year, and you have to pay for each one separately. But with SignalPeak, we get access to all of them for only one-time payment. So don't go nowhere because I'm going to give you all the details. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access for 24 hours completely free. So you can try it first, see if this is what you're looking for. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And if you don't have experience doing trading, don't worry, I have you covered. I have a video with the essentials on how to validate those signals and start to try it. This is not a hands-free option that is going to do all the hard work for us. No, this is different. This is real trading, but we have all of these professionals doing the hard work for us. Before we dive in, let me invite you to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell for notifications, and if you have any extra questions, you can find me in Telegram. The link is in the description of this video. Oh, and of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my experiences. I'm sharing what has been working for me. Make sure you always do your own research and trade responsibly. First, let me take you to their Telegram group. Here you can see they have over 11,000 subscribers taking advantage of this system. You can see their results. This is something that you can use with your favorite exchange platform. You saw it right here. Someone is using BingX. Someone is using here Bybit. Here someone make 300% in returns in Maxi. That's insane. They have, well, it's a pretty active group. Definitely you can come here and check all of those reports. Let me show you my results. Because first I came here and I saw all of this and of course I want to try it. This was a trade in January, a short, and I got there at 119% in gains. And that signal came from SignalPeak. Another long here, 73%. I have a different leverage there, 17x. Ape, another one at the beginning of the year where we have very nice results. But there was one trade that I make so much gains. Let me show you. The biggest gains I had since I've been doing trading was with this trade. That was XRP. That was in December 4th. In this long, I opened it with a 20x leverage, over 3,000% in gains. That was amazing. And I shared this report inside my Telegram group. If you go there, scroll up and you will find it. I made a couple of thousands here and that was amazing. And I have a lot. Another one here, Red, 364% in gains. Gala, another 300% in gains. Dot, 40%, 233%, 33%. Guys, I'm telling you, this is insane. I also have losses. Yes, I have losses. And that's part of the trading experience. We have to be ready for that. In the end, I got more wins than losses. But this is very risky, especially these days. Because right now, you know, the Bitcoin is going down like crazy. That's why during these last few weeks, I've been trading more Forex and gold. And inside SignalPeak, we also have access to all of those. So let me show you how that works. Right below this video, you will find a link that is going to take you directly to Telegram. It will look something like this. It says top VIP groups, daily 100 plus trading signals, VIP support on Telegram, careful risk management, crypto signals with high ROI, lifetime access, and some of the groups that we're going to have access to it. Now, the lifetime access is going to cost you $350. That to me is an excellent deal because we're going to have access to all of this information and to all of this professional for only this price. To me, it's a no-brainer, all right? But I also have a monthly plan. You can pay 90 USDT per month. And as I mentioned at the beginning, if you decide to use my link, you will get access to a free trial for 1 day. So right here below, you have 3 buttons. If you want to take the free day, you can click right here. Or if you are ready to purchase the plan, you just need to click in the lifetime plan and follow the steps. You can talk to support directly. You have an affiliates tab. Let me show you life plan. After you pay, you're going to have these 2 tabs. One is the crypto channels and the Forex channels. Let's go with the crypto channels first. And here you can see all of them. Here is Binance Killers, one of my favorites. Crypto Inner Circle, I like that one too. Crypto Aman, very nice group. Look at that, you have 2 pages of groups, all right? Also, you have Forex. Remember Forex? I have like 5 favorite groups for Forex, for gold, and those ones are giving me very nice results, so I don't need to try others. But you can try it if that's what you want to do. You have all of those, and with only 1 click, you will add those groups to your Telegram account. Click there. This is how you're gonna see the signal, the coin, the direction, if it's a long or a short, the entry. If you are between these 2 values, you can get in. All right. Now the target. Binance Killers is giving 2 types of signals. It all depends what type of trading you want to follow. Take profits, 1, 2, 3, 4. They give you the stop loss. And here is another signal. This is the report of a successful trade. Here they hit a 233% in gains. More signals. Another report right here. Here I have another group that I like. This is Binance 360. These guys created an indicator that is super precise and very profitable. Here we got the signal in the 15 minutes time frame, short. That's the coin, the entry zone, the take profit, the stop loss. They give you the suggestion for the leverage. They know how to approach that trade, so don't go with a higher leverage. All right. Another one here, Alex Friedman. He also has a very, very high win rate. I'm showing to you the ones that I'm using right now that I like. This one, Crypto Aman. They are also giving some analysis. It's a very nice group. That's the signal. That's the coin, the direction, the leverage, entry zone, take profits, and the stop loss. There are groups trading meme coins, but I'm not much into that, honestly. I prefer to trade altcoins or just Bitcoin. And my favorite instrument these days is gold. And there are also very nice groups for that. I will make a new video showing you how I validate those signals, because I kind of create my own system to make sure I'm taking the right signal. If you are really serious about it and you are thinking to get into this, if you are thinking to purchase the lifetime package, if you are ready to walk the extra mile with this option, then send me a message on Telegram, and I'll be happy to explain to you what I've been doing to validate those trades. All right. Well, guys, this is all that I want to show you today. Let me know what you think about SignalPeak, if this is something that looks interesting to you. And if you're ready to start your trading venture, do it responsibly. Pure risk management, guys. Don't over leverage. If you want to see how to do it with an exchange platform, I have a video for that. I'm going to put it right here in the top corner. That is in my secondary channel, and I will appreciate your likes, your comments. And well, in that video, I'm using my favorite exchange platform. Probably you can find there some value if you want to activate your trades. All right, guys, have an amazing day. This was my SignalPeak review. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.